Hello everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will see how you can connect MongoDB with Laravel in very few and easy steps. But the part is connecting MongoDB with Laravel is easy, but the part is like if you are doing in your Windows PC with a XAMPP, that part is a bit difficult. So if you are very new to MongoDB, haven't set up the MongoDB with your Windows PC, then please follow this step. I have added all the steps. That first you have to download the mongodb.dll file, and you have to then put that file into your PHP folder, and then open your php.ini and then see, and there you have to add this extension. See, I have written all the things here, that at which file you have to put that DL file, and then what things you have to add it, right? Now the next part will be how we can do the CRUD with the MongoDB part, right? So when you have done with these things, then you can install the MongoDB in your PC. It is very simple, I think. Okay, so I haven't added the URL here for the MongoDB for the installation in case of Windows. So definitely I will add that URL here, so that you can usually go and download the MongoDB, or you can also Google that thing, that MongoDB for Windows, or something like that. Okay, now if you have done all those things and installed the MongoDB in your system, then it will looks like something that, right? And there you have to create a connection. For example, here I have already created a connection name as MongoDB, right? So you also have to create a connection. For example, you can create a connection as learn Laravel, or anything which you want to create, right? So see, there will be a one more connection will be created. When I click on connect, then this connection will be activated. Okay, so right now I am using this connection, and I have named my connection name as MongoDB. You can give this name as anything which is in your mind. There will not compulsory to give the name as MongoDB. I have just given that. Okay, so first thing is create this one MongoDB, and then after giving the connection name, you have to create the database. So I have created my database as e-commerce. Okay, now the next thing will be you have to install this package, right? So you can install this package, because the part is this package is officially supported by the Laravel, and in the Laravel documentation as well they have given that package name. So definitely this package will be supported in the long term. And one more thing, this package will be required, because the part is like if you are doing Eloquent operation, then in that case this package will be required to handle all the Eloquent. Okay, now the next thing will be you have to go to the .env, and you have to put this thing, right? DB connection name, URL, and the database name. So mine database name is e-commerce, and the rest things are same, so I have put in this manner, right? I have to, so see, I have given here Laravel app, but my database name is e-commerce, right? So I have to use as e-commerce. Okay, now the next thing will be in the connection array, where in your configuration / database.php you have to add this array key. Okay, because if you won't add it, this part, then it won't be called here in the .env in this manner, and it will throw you error. Now the next part will be I am creating one model here, right? And in this case you don't need the migration, because MongoDB will be a NoSQL. Here the SQL things we are not going to use, like you will make a name as a string or number as a float or anything. So it's because the part is they are saving the data as object, all the things as object. So if you go to the product.php, you have seen that it is created here, right? So the connection name will be MongoDB, and the collection here means the table name. So our table name will be product, and what are the fields are fillable: name, price, and descriptions. Okay, the same code is I have added here. Now the part is you have to create one controller, and then I have created one form here as well, so that I can pass the data, and then I am so see, if you hit this function, a form will be open where I can pass the name, price and description, and when I click on submit, it will come to the store function and save the data in our MongoDB, right? So the same code I have added here in my product controller. Where is my create file? Let's run it, because I think I haven't added the create file which I have given in the blog, right? So I think I have to create one definitely, because without that one it is difficult. Okay, sorry. So I have added it here, because the part is like, when I am doing the demos, I will do some shortcuts. So definitely you can call this view file in this manner as well, or you can call in this manner as well, right? That create a route and then call that route via your controller method, or you can directly call it in this manner as well. Okay, so let's try this code, php artisan serve, and we will hit this URL, add product, open it. So it is giving one error as e-commerce session ID duplicate ID key null. Let me see what happened with this one. Duplicate session e-commerce or session. So session is getting some error. For an instance, let's clear these things, delete, refresh it. Okay, so the part is, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save some product here. So product name will be I'm giving our product name as invoice generator. Price will be 11, description will be useful for creating invoice, and click on add product. So when you click on add product, definitely what will happen, it will save the data in your product table. So see here, right? So you can see that how simple it is to save the data through MongoDB via Laravel. And on the other side, I have done all the other operations, like to get all the data, to show the data and update and destroy, right? So all the things you can do this via Eloquent. You don't have to do anything extra for the MongoDB, because you are using that package. The one thing which you have to do this is, you have to change this model namespace, because by default system is using this namespace. Where is the model? If we create any model, let me show you, php artisan make model. I'm creating one model as CodeHunger, just to show you that what will be the actual so see, so by default this one is running as Eloquent model, but the part is, when you connect it with the MongoDB, you have to replace this with this one, the MongoDB, so that it will work. Otherwise definitely it will throw you error. I can show you that one as well. If you are going to use this one, so it won't work properly. See, call to member prepare. So it's not working here. So for that reason, you have to use this one, and for that reason also we have installed the package. So I think now you get understood that how easy it is to use MongoDB with the Laravel. It's not a very difficult thing. But anyways, if you have any questions, and if you have anything to ask, or if you have any idea to build something with the MongoDB and the Laravel, then definitely we are open for that. But for today, this is it from our side, and please subscribe our channel, like it and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.